This is the KNN joint for the two rectangle collection, and the output is a rectangle collection. Here each rectangle is picked up from the left rectangle data set, and we try to find the k nearest rectangle in the right rectangle data set. And since here k is equal to 3, so we try to find out which are the three nearest rectangles to the given rectangle in the left rectangle data set. And same we can see in the output for each of the rectangle in the left rectangle data set. It is joined with the three nearest rectangles in the right data set. This is the implementation for the KNN joint for the two rectangle collection, and the output is a rectangle collection. Here we can see that each of the left rectangle from the left data set is picked up, and we try to find out what are the k nearest rectangles to it from the right data set, and likewise it is inserted into the joint result, and the resultant collection is a rectangle collection. For this week we have integrated the indices for the query processing, and here we can see that we have the hash defines for the special join, and for the special index and for the data index. And here we can see we have like the normal no join, range join, KNN join, distant join. We does not use any of the indices. And then likewise we have no join, special index, range join, special index, KNN join, special index, and distant join, special index. And likewise we have no join, data index, range join, data index, k join, data index, and distant join, data index. This is another function, materialize branch, which makes use of the indexes. Here we can see if the root type is a no join data index, or a range join data index, or KNN join data index. It makes use of the get data index collection, and we get the index, and instead of searching on the entire data set, it makes use of the index, and then we can search if the filter type is objects in range. It tries to search the point based on the index, and the search is much faster because of the use of index. Same way we can see here we have even make use of the special index, and we are calling the function get special index collection, and we get the index pointer, and we make use of it, and we check if the filter type is objects in range, and we make use of these of this index ptr to find the objects which are in the particular range. So instead of finding through the entire data set, we narrow it down by making use of the indexes. We have implemented range join with index, where it takes the two rectangle collection, and the output is the rectangle collection. Here we can see that we have taken a rectangle from the left data, and we are trying to find the index. Using the index, we are trying to find what are the different rectangles which are in the range of this particular rectangle. And likewise, we don't have to search through the entire data, but we make use of the indices to find the rectangles which are in the range of this particular rectangle. And likewise we do a join of these rectangles, and the output is a rectangle collection. The same way we have the range join with index for the point and rectangle collection, and the output is a point rectangle collection. Here we can see that we are making again use of the index ptr search point, where it finds the rectangles which are within the range of this particular point, and it is used, and then we do a join, and the result is inserted in the join result vector, and the output is a point rectangle collection.